Good morning to all respected teachers, admins, and all my dear friends. I, Aditya Rao, standing in front of you to deliver my speech about coronavirus. As today we all are discussing about coronavirus, I would also like to add something. Coronavirus is a large family of viruses that causes illness ranging from the common cold to acute respiratory syndromes. But the virus that has killed many people in Wuhan, China is a novel strain not seen before. The disease caused by this virus is COVID 19, that is, coronavirus disease 19. The name of the virus is derived from Latin language, which means crown, as it takes the shape of crown when attached to the body. The virus is spread mainly via small droplets from coughing, sneezing, and talking. The droplets usually not airborne. However, those standing close proximity may inhale them and become infected. People may also become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching their face. It is most contagious during the first 3 days after the onset of symptoms. Common symptoms include fever, cough, fatigue, breathing difficulties, loss of smell and taste. As the virus is highly contagious, the preventive measures to reduce the chances of infection include staying at home, wearing a mask in public, avoiding crowded places, keeping distance from others, that is social distancing, washing hands with soap and water often and for at least 20 seconds, practicing good respiratory hygiene, and avoiding touching the eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. There are many myths about corona, like old people get affected by coronavirus, onset of summer will decline the spread of virus, eating meat can cause infection, taking hot bath can prevent the virus from infecting you, dogs can spread coronavirus. But WHO, World Health Organization, has cleared that this is not true. Diagnosis and clinical attention is the best or perhaps the only way to cure the infection. Standard method of diagnosis is by RT-PCR from a nasal swab, and chest CT imaging may also be helpful for diagnosis. There are no proven vaccines or specific treatments for COVID 19. Management involves the treatment of symptoms, supportive care, and isolation. However, research is going on for the development of vaccine against coronavirus. Just one coronavirus vaccine has been developed by Gamaleya Research Institute in Moscow, Russia. Name is Sputnik V. India has witnessed the most serious multidimensional crisis in its history. The country's labor has gone through a tragedy. Poor have got poorer, jobs disappear, incomes get depleted, and whole economy come down. But to uplift the situation, Corona warriors came into picture and worked selflessly. Their efforts have prepared India for stronger comeback. We should salute all Corona warriors for their work. We should be thankful to all doctors, nurses, pathologists, police, vegetable vendors, and bankers for this work during this pandemic. Thank you and have a nice day.